Number 1, start using landing pages. Landing pages are a really great way to send out a focused message that is entirely dedicated to sales and the message that you want to send. Number 2, save yourself time by selecting a landing page builder that's easy to use and got a drag and drop builder. Check out SeedProd or Thrive Architect as 2 of my top picks, but if you want a full comparison of 5 of the best, then check out my video that I will link at the end of this one. Number 3, this might be obvious, but have a clear, great offer. One bold statement. You might only get one opportunity to get somebody onto your website and to make a sale, so make it count. Number 4, speaking of bold, contrasting colors are the way to go to get people interested and invested. Number 5, keep information above the fold. This is an old newspaper technique where you keep the big headline, the important information above the fold. People shouldn't have to scroll to find out what your great offer is. It should be right there, right in front of them as soon as they land on your page. Number 6, keep your offer limited. It should either be limited time or limited amount. We want to increase FOMO, and you want to use conversion focused blocks from your landing page builder to really reinforce this idea. Number 7, display contact information. Make sure people can get hold of you either now or in the future. It puts people at ease and means you can maybe start to build things like mailing lists, or at the worst, people can ask questions and you can potentially build them into a sale. You can go from something as simple as just having your email on your page, you can have a contact form, or you can go as far as having something like an AI chatbot, whatever suits you, but make sure people have a way to contact you. Number 8, use different media types. Don't just stick to having a load of copy on your page. You want photos, you want video. Video is great for making people spend passive time on your page, which is only beneficial to you and increases the chances of you making a sale. Again, a really great drag and drop builder will help you add in video and images without any hassle whatsoever. Number 9, check out that comparison video showing you 5 of the best landing page builders that are out there so that you can make the best choice for you by clicking here.